Hi, I'm Tina from Vida Wellness. Today is a little taster session on our Fit for Gardening series. So the Fit for Gardening series is a series of exercises that will help you with your gardening. There's a full body workout in there, but there are also individual ones which look at digging, weeding, pruning, planting, those sorts of activities. So the exercises that I'm going to show you today, the first one is a balance move. Now we need balance a lot when we're gardening because we're stepping over plants and pots and bags and equipment that's in your way. So this is a balance movement for you. I have a pot and I also have a wall which I'm going to use just to hold on to if I need to. So stand behind your pot. You can use any item or you can just imagine that there's an item there for you to step over. So you're going to stand up tall, use the wall if you need to. You're going to step over the item and then you're going to change your mind and step back. Okay, because sometimes when you garden, you get halfway through your flower bed and you have to go backwards. So this is kind of what we're trying to work on here. Step over, shift your weight and step back again. So we're going to do a few more of these. Over and back. Over and back. Lifting the foot up nice and high. Shifting your weight and stepping back. Let's swap to the other leg. So over, step, shift, and come back again. And back again. And it's often the shift in your weight backwards which is the most challenging for your balance. So that you might be finding that a little bit harder coming backwards than going forward. And stop there. So the next exercise is a strength one. We're going to use the pot again. And what we're working on here is good technique when we're going down to pick something up and then using the strength in our legs to lift that item. So you're going to stand in front of your item or you can just pretend there's something there. We are going to flex at the hips and imagine that we're sitting down, keeping our back nice and straight, but with our hands out in front because we're going to push the bottom backwards, flex down and then grab the item and stand up. Hips back, come down, lower and come up. Okay, let's do that again. So down, push the floor away. So we're using the strength in the legs and up again. Let's do that again. So lower, lower, lower and stand up. Lower, 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 release and up. A couple more. Down, push, keeping that back nice and straight, chin up, chest up. And one more. Lift and down. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed those exercises. Go into the studio and find out more about what we do with the Fit for Gardening series. There are also videos on Fit for Travel, Fit for Life, which is just a full body workout, or Fit for Grandchildren. If you have grandchildren, there's some specific videos in there for you that will help you to spend more quality time with your grandchildren. Also in the studio, we have a forum so you can connect with us and others, some helpful tips, programs about all aspects of your physical fitness. So click on the link, go into the studio and find out more. You can also get a 14-day free trial, which gives you plenty of time to try out lots of the videos. So hopefully we'll see you there.